Okay, so to translate my shape along the vector, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my parallel line tool. I'm going to click on my vector, and then I'm going to click on my first point. I'll just do all my lines at once so I don't have to keep switching tools. Click on my vector, then click on my next point, and click on my vector, and click on my last point. So I just made parallel lines to my vector, and they're all parallel to each other, so they will never intercross. So now I'm going to go to my move tool, and I'm going to take my ruler, and I'm going to put my ruler at 0, and then take this and turn it, and I look, the end of my vector is about at 5. So I'm going to drag this up here to B, and I'm going to see where 5 is. I can either then choose a point or use my pen, whichever's easier. So I could put a pen mark a little bit up right about there. Okay. Move. Come to 0, measure 5 centimeters away because I know I'm moving it 5 centimeters to the right. This time I'm going to use a point. I'm going to click on my point tool, put it right here at 5, and then here again, I'm going to use a pen this time, put it right at about 5. Okay, so now I'm going to move my ruler away, and I'm going to pick my polygon tool, and I'm going to put a point where I see all my dots, or the points I already made. And if I did a point there, it'll connect to it for me. And then I need to come back and click my last point that I started with. So now I can see that I translated my shape all the way to the right 5 centimeters, so each point was moved.